How to join Fantasy Premier League with code. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your PL application from your device and make sure that you are logged into your FPL account. From here, tap onto the Fantasy option at the bottom bar. Then you will land onto a page like this. Under here, scroll below until you find the option of Leagues and Cups. Then under below, tap on Join Leagues. Once done, you have to type in the code and tap on Join a League. And just like so, this is how you can join a league with code. If it's a public league, then tap on Public tab, and here choose if it's Classic or Head-to-Head, then tap on Join a League. That is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In order to see more videos like this, do comment down below and subscribe to our channel.